Well, the border standoff continues, and just to break it for our viewers, how should one read into it? Could this escalate? Should markets be worried about what's happening between India and China? Maroof now joins us. Maroof, good morning. Thank you for joining us. Maroof, could you break it for our stock market viewers that how should one read into the latest escalation between India and China? Could this really snowball into something very big and drastic?
Good morning. See, the first thing to understand is that, you see, China is adamant on not honoring any earlier commitment, neither on giving an inch on the ground despite various levels of talks. So, therefore, the sequence of action is normally when talks reach a stalemate, then troops are given a free hand to go and create initiatives on the ground which gives you better negotiating positions in future talks. And that is what is happening because along the LAC in particular, not every inch of ground is either held by Indian or Chinese troops. They normally occupy high points and ridge lines which allow them to defend or operate from a position of strength. And that is how ground battles are fought. So therefore, Indian troops have now been instructed, and if you see from the incident which saw a standoff between the SFF, that is a covert unit of the Indian Army, and the intruding Chinese forces in the southern banks of Tongong So, you saw that we had taken the initiative in our hand. And there are many other options available to us, both on the LAC and near Arunachal where the McMahon line runs, both of which China has been disputing. And we can also take over certain territories and then negotiate from a position of strength. So that is what it is right now. And please understand that the level of friction on the ground, though the media has been playing it up, is nowhere close to the level of military activity that regularly takes place on the line of control with the Pakistanis. So if that doesn't escalate into a full-fledged war or conflict, this won't. And if it does, push comes to shove, China is likely to get a bloody nose because India has learned the lessons of the past. And this time the political establishment cannot risk the possibility of a humiliation at the hands of the Chinese.
All right. Thanks for joining us on that.